There we go. So let's see what's inside of this guy. It's an interesting kind of challenge, not a multi-lock I'm used to. Oops, better zoom out there. I'm dropping the gut wrench. Okay. And I have a key, so that's okay. Boop, 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 boop. You mean? There we go. The gut wrench really is a really nice tool. Okay, looks like we've got something of a lip in here, which means pretty much a guarantee that I'm going to want to use a shim. And I'll just use one of my jacked up shims because they just keep working, so I'll keep using them. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So this one's anti-drill protection, so that's not really a picked pin. 2 standard pins. Upside down. 3. Probably all standard key pins. 5. 6. Pretty low lift on that guy. Number 2. Or sorry, low lifting on those 2. Not quite a 0 lift, but it's getting there. Easy to overset, at any rate. Oops. Let's get that shim out of there. We don't need him right now. Remember to put it back when you reassemble. Okay. And a big old spool. Oh, that's a spring. No need to bother with the springs. And some kind of weird, like one serration in the middle of the guy. One standard pin. A spool. One of those weird serrations. And a standard. So actually kind of a difficult lock to pick. It's a little hard to feel what's going on in there. I don't know if it's because it's old or what. Nothing special in here, just 6 regular old springs, it looks like. Is it focusing? So anyway, there is Mul-T-Lock, whatever it is. Lent to me by Georgia Jim with not pin and bin, which is the first Mul-T-Lock I've ever dealt with that wasn't. 2 spools, 2 weird single serrations, and 2 standard pins. So there it is.